Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Polish ration. Now this is an S-R-5, 5 being the menu number. I'm not entirely sure if this is a civilian ration or a military ration. As far as I'm concerned, this is a military ration, so yeah, let's have a close look and then we'll open it up. Alright, so let's have a close look at it. And right on the front we have pack number 5. This is an individual ration pack. You also have it in Polish and I believe that's French, could be wrong. And this is known as an SR5. The 24-hour ration is known as the SRG. So this is the smaller version, which is an SR5 or SR whatever menu that would be. And here we have a list of the contents. If you guys want to cheat and find out what's inside, go ahead and read that. And this ration was produced by Arpol, which I believe makes all the Polish rations, or most of them. I could be completely wrong. And here we have a best before of 11/30/2016. We'll see how well it held up and if it's still any good. Right on the back, we have a line that shows 1 liter mark. And so we have 1 liter, and so this bag holds about 2 liters of water, just in case you want to purify water, or I don't know, maybe measure for whatever reason. And we have some kind of symbol, and I believe that indicates that this is a food product. I could be completely wrong, and yeah, that's it. All right, so let's get this thing opened up. Alright, first up we have some kind of jam. I'm not sure what kind of jam this is. I like how it comes in this baggie just in case this gets damaged and we have a leak. So it's a really nice touch. I like that. Let's see what else we have. And we have some canned pork. I'm not sure if this is some kind of pate or just some processed pork like Spam, but you get 100 grams of it. Very nice. We have our spoon and napkin, and that's all you get as far as cutlery. We have a package of special biscuits. You may have seen these in the Lithuanian rations. We have a baggie full of goodies. Let's open it up. And we have a bag for your trash or carry your extras. Very nice. We have pepper and salt. We have a vitamin C candy, and this appears to be some kind of coffee candy. We have some gum, and this appears to be mint flavor. We have a Be Fresh wet wipe or moist towelette. Very nice. You get 2 packages of napkins or toilet paper. Seems to be a lot of napkins, so I'm gonna take a wild guess and say this is a 12-hour ration. I could be wrong, but that seems to be the indication. And here we have a straw. I don't think I've ever seen one in a ration, so that's a first for me. And here we have a Speedy Hot Twin flameless heater, and this thing looks massive. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. And this heater appears to have 2 heating pads, which I've never seen before, maybe in the Chinese ration or the Chinese PLA rations. And yeah, very interesting. And here we have an instant tea drink. Very nice. Alright, so here's another interesting item. We have some hooks, and these are to hang your pouch or your bag so you can purify your water. And yeah, that's another neat feature. I really like that. And here we have a package of freeze-dried fruit. I've had these before and they're pretty good. And here's the main entree, which I believe is some kind of pork with rice and vegetables. You get 300 grams of it. See what else we have. We have another package of biscuits or special biscuits, and this appears to be an apricot fruit bar. Very nice. And that's it. Alright guys, there you have it, the Polish individual ration pack, and this is the SR5. We have the main entree, which is some kind of meat with rice and vegetables, 2 packages of SU1 special biscuits, freeze-dried fruit, instant tea drink, a straw, some kind of potted pork meat, apricot fruit bar, pepper, salt, 2 packages of napkins, the Speedy Hot twin flameless ration heater, that should be very interesting, a moist towelette, we have some mint candy, coffee candy, and vitamin C candy, a napkin and spoon, some kind of jam, we have your water purification tablet with your hooks, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a really interesting ration. I'm already liking everything that I see, so let's plate this stuff up and try it out. Alright, let's heat up our food. I'm not sure if you're supposed to heat this up. Here we have the Speedy Hot Twin heater. There we have the instructions, and it basically just works like a regular flameless ration heater. You just have 2 heating pads instead of 1, so it should give you a lot of oomph, extra power. So let's get this thing opened up. Here's the heating pad, and we just take our main entree. And here we have the fill line, so let's add some water. That's a lot of water, but yeah, that looks just about right. Wrap it around. Stick it in our sleeve. And I'm not feeling any kind of heat, so I'm not sure if this thing is still working. You can hear something going on. Alright, it's activated. Get it back in the sleeve. Wow, that thing really packs a punch. Probably one of the best heaters I've seen. You can see it's even boiling the water. That's very impressive. Alright, so let's set it off to the side and let it cook for a few minutes. Alright, let's check out the instant tea drink. And I believe you're supposed to use about 8 ounces of water. I guess, you know, it's up to you if you want to use hot or cold. Let's check this thing out. And there you have the instant tea, and that would have to be the weirdest tea I've ever seen. Alright, let's add some water. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the water kind of darkened up, so let's mix it up. Let's crush up the pellets. Yeah, it feels like it's dissolved. Let's open this back up. And there you have it, and it kind of smells like green tea. Alright, so I guess we'll use our straw. This is the only drink we have. Of course, you have a gusseted bottom. You can stand it up. Alright, here we have the instant tea. Let's try it. Oh wow. Yeah, that is some really good tea. It's got a nice lemon flavor to it. Just the right amount of sweetness, and yeah, there's some really good tea. Alright, let's get the tea in a cup so you guys can see. And as you can see, it's got some nice color to it, and yeah, really good tea. Can't beat that. Alright, let's check out the jam, and I believe that's a raspberry jam, and we'll check out the special biscuits as well. And there it is. Let's get it open. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but you can see some stuff in there. It looks like seeds. Let's get the spoon. Here we have our Polish spoon, and Feels a little bit flimsy. All right, let's check out the jam. We'll try it by itself, and there you can get a better shot of the seeds. All right, let's try it. Yeah, that definitely has a nice raspberry flavor to it. Very natural and very sweet. Let's check out the special biscuits. And here we have the special biscuit, also known as a Panzer waffle or tank armor. Yeah, let's hear that snap. And there you have the seeds. I always forget what kind of seeds they are, but yeah, let's try it. Yeah, these biscuits are pretty good. They have a nice mild sweetness to them, and they're incredibly hard, so I don't think they could ever go stale. Let's try with the raspberry jam. And there you have it. All right, let's have a bite. Yeah, that is a really good combination. You can't really go wrong with that. All right, let's check out this can of pork meat. Let's open it up. There you have it. You have some gelatin and fat. Very nice. Yeah, and it just looks like Spam. Let's get a nice bite. Yeah, it smells like Spam, looks like Spam. Let's try it. Yeah, this stuff is really good. Let's have another go at it. All right. Yeah, that has really good flavor to it. Let's go ahead and try it with the cracker. Get some of that fat. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is some good porky goodness. Let's try with the cracker. Yeah, that is really good. Goes well with the cracker, and I would have to say this is like Spam, except this has better flavor and texture. And yeah, it's like Spam, but better than Spam, I would say. All right, let's check out the freeze-dried fruit. Let's open it up. Let's get it onto our tray. And there you have it. You can see some pineapples, some bananas, what appears to be strawberries, and some other good stuff. Let's try it. Let's have another bite. Yeah, that's not bad. It's just a freeze-dried fruit. It appears to be all natural. I don't taste any added sugar, and yeah, it's not bad. All right, let's try to rehydrate it. We'll add some water to it. All right, we'll just leave it and we'll come back to it. All right, let's check out our main entree. And here we have the main entree, the meat and vegetables. Let's get it open. All right, it's a little bit wet, so it's a little bit slippery. There we go. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. You have some nice big chunks of meat. Let's get it onto our tray. Yeah, this looks really good. I believe the meat is pork. Let's get a nice big bite. And there you have it. You have the pork, rice, and appears to be carrots and peas. Let's try it. Yeah, that is really good. Nice flavor to it. The meat is nice and tender. It's just a little bit dry, but yeah, let's add some salt and pepper. Let's add some pepper. I think we'll add all of it. We'll add some of the salt. Let's give it a little stir. All right, there you have it with the salt and pepper. Let's try it. Let's try with the biscuit. We just have to be careful that we don't lose a tooth. All right, let's try it. Yeah, not a bad meal. The main entree, I would give it a 8 out of 10. The pork spam, I would give that a 10 out of 10. And the jam, that's like a 10 out of 10. But it's really good. Let's check out our freeze-dried fruit. It looks like it rehydrated. You see the strawberries a little bit soggy. All right, let's try it again. Yeah, I think I prefer it that way. It rehydrated very nicely, and yeah, it's nice and soft and delicious. Let's check out the Apricot Football. And as you can see, it comes nicely wrapped in rice paper. Let's get a nice cross section. There you have it. All right, let's try it. That is a really good fruit bar. It's got a nice chewy texture to it. You could definitely taste the apricots and some other fruits, but overall it's really good and it's a nice touch. All right, let's check out the coffee candy and see what it's all about. And there it is. It just looks like hard candy, so yeah. Yeah, that tastes just like coffee, just comes in candy form. Let's try the vitamin C candy. And it looks like it's cherry or strawberry flavor. Let's try it. Yeah, I can't tell what flavor that is. More than likely strawberry, but it's pretty good. It's nice and sweet, not bad. And the last thing we have is the gum, and it's I believe peppermint or mint flavor. And you get 2 of them. Let's try one. Yeah, it has a nice minty flavor to it, and yeah, not bad. Alright guys, that wraps it up. This was the Polish individual ration pack number 5 or SR5, and I must say this one was really good. I was really impressed with the quality. It's top notch. The main entree and the pork were excellent. The sides were no exception, and my only complaint would have to be that this ration needed more drinks, maybe some coffee or more tea, but overall I give this ration a solid 8 out of 10. It's really good. It's a must try, so if you find one, go ahead and pick it up. But yeah, I want to give a big thanks and shout out to Delicious. He sent me this ration a long time ago. We did a trade. He's got his own YouTube channel. He does a lot of ration reviews, so the link will be down below, and make sure you check him out. And just want to give a huge thanks and shout out to my patrons. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you guys come back for my next review. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.